You open your wallet at the register, and your credit card is right there. It's easy, it's automatic, and in the moment, it doesn't feel like debt. It feels like normal life. Then, later that night, you check your balance, and you feel that little drop in your stomach. You didn't buy anything crazy, but somehow the card still climbed, and now paying it off feels like it's going to take forever. If you want to stop using credit cards without feeling deprived, the goal isn't to be strong. The goal is to change the default so you're not constantly negotiating with yourself. Because the real enemy is present bias and the convenience premium. Your brain loves the instant yes, tap to pay, one-click checkout, delivery apps, and it hates the delayed pain that shows up as a bigger balance later. Credit cards separate the purchase from the pain, so your system has to reconnect them gently.
Here's the neuro pivot. You don't need more motivation. You need a setup that creates just enough friction to slow spending down while still letting you live your life. I'm going to give you a simple framework in 3 steps, plus a 7-day challenge you can try immediately. Step 1 is the debit first rule. For the next week, put your debit card in the front of your wallet and move the credit card somewhere annoying, back pocket of your wallet, a drawer at home, or even frozen in a bag of water in the freezer if you need a serious pause. The point is not punishment, it's interruption. You want a 2-second pause before a purchase. If you're thinking, but I use my card for rewards, that's fine later. Right now, we're focused on stopping the balance from growing. Step 2 is to keep one controlled fun lane so you don't rebound. Most people fail because they go from swipe whenever to nothing is allowed, and then they blow the plan on the weekend.
So pick a weekly number for fun spending. Coffee, eating out, small hangouts. Something realistic, like $60 to $120, depending on your situation. Put it on your debit card or pull it in cash. When it's gone, it's gone. This is not about tracking every dollar. It's about setting one boundary you can actually follow. Step 3 is to automate progress so you don't feel deprived and stuck. The day after payday, schedule one extra payment toward your credit card, even if it's $25. Automation turns progress into a routine instead of a mood. Here's a realistic example. Say you take home $3,000 a month. After rent, groceries, gas, and bills, you can spare $200 for extra debt payments. If you don't automate that $200, it will turn into convenience spending without you noticing. But if it's scheduled the day after payday, it becomes progress you can't accidentally spend.
Now, common mistakes and quick fixes. Mistake 1, trying to quit credit cards forever overnight. Quick fix, treat it like a 7-day reset. Short, specific, and doable. Mistake 2, cutting fun spending to 0. Quick fix, pick a weekly fun number so you don't rebound. Mistake 3, leaving the credit card saved in every app. Quick fix, remove saved cards from shopping and delivery apps and log out for a week. Make spending slightly harder. Mistake 4, using the card for surprises because you have no buffer. Quick fix, start a tiny starter buffer, even $200, so life stops going straight to the card. Calm recap. If you want to stop using credit cards without feeling deprived, don't rely on willpower. Change the default. Debit first, a controlled fun lane, and automated extra payments. Educational only, not financial advice. Your 7-day challenge, move your credit card out of reach, pick your weekly fun number, delete saved cards from your top 2 spending apps, and schedule one automatic extra payment for next payday. I'll put a simple checklist in the pinned comment so you can do it in 5 minutes.